I made this chunky little light for my operations command center. I thought it was pretty cool. I like using these little puck lights that I picked up and I reviewed on a previous video. This one sits on one of my command center screens. To make this, I have a couple of these blocks from a Tetris type game, and a couple of bottle caps, and some thumbtacks, and then these little button lights. And I'm gonna create like a little lanterns out of them, and then these will probably be the handles. I've decided I'm gonna make 2 of these. I'm trying to find the center to this little Tetris block by measuring it one way, and then measuring it the other way, and then marking the center. And this will be where the thumbtack goes. And thumbtack will go through the bottle cap. This will help keep it glued together, because sometimes super glue doesn't hold very well when you're gluing plastic to wood. Now that that's done, I'm going to make these kind of a little chunky and fit like this. I think that'll look cool. I use that aluminum tape again to cover these. I really like this aluminum tape, and it's kind of the going theme for my operations command center. And this stuff is pretty easy to use, and it looks really cool. Now that I got this one done, I just have another one to do. I'm going to add little handles to it with these wooden dowels. I'm kind of going for the chunky, kind of very industrial look. I think that's going to look neat. These will be some type of powerful spotlight or a rescue light or something like that. After covering these dowels with the aluminum tape, they're easy to glue on using super glue. I'm going to use some white glue to help keep the button lights on these on the bottle caps. I just add a big glob of white glue and then let it dry, and this will help keep it on. Now it's complete. Now I have 2 little powerful lanterns for my G.I. Joes to use. And since the switch is in the front, it's very easy to turn them on and off. And they put out quite a bit of light. I added a little green jewel up towards the handle, and they're rather large rescue lights or spotlights that they can use. I like incorporating these little button lights and other things. I added a few stickers to the top, maybe some to dial in the brightness, and there's a small black rhinestone towards the back. I think these turned out pretty cool, and they look like big industrial flashlights, which is the effect I'm going for. I added a couple of little foam feet to it using my hole punch and some sticky back foam, craft foam. I've also used these puck lights on these blocks that I recycled in a previous video. So now I have several different little lights I could use to light my scenes or give my G.I. Joes some extra lights for their adventures. These put out quite a bit of light, and they're great to add in any scenes or dioramas. I think they turned out pretty cool. Well, that's all I have for you. This was just another fun, small DIY project that was pretty easy to put together. Only took me a few hours. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comment section. If you like this video, click the like button. I'd really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I do videos like this all the time. And until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.